Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nemeth. I'm a periodontist in Southfield, Michigan, and I want to talk a little bit about crowns and veneers today because a lot of people don't know the difference between a crown and a veneer. A crown, it wraps all the way around the tooth. That is, the tooth is typically filed down all the way around to fit a cap or a crown on it. Crowns work out very well. They have strong retention. They remain in place even if you have a strong, heavy bite. Usually the crowns are strong enough to withstand that. And they can, if well done, match your teeth very well, and they look very well. On the other hand, veneers are different because when veneers are made, only the outside of the tooth is shaved down, so you don't have to remove as much tooth structure. And then a thin porcelain veneer is cemented to the outside of the tooth, so the appearance is enhanced greatly. However, if you have a strong bite, or if there's a lot of decay around the tooth, or a lot of fillings in the tooth, veneers may not be appropriate for those teeth. Now, for myself, I've had experience both ways. I have crowns on my upper teeth in front, and I have veneers on my lower teeth in front. Now, they didn't look that great before, but I had a beautiful job done by a wonderful restorative dentist, and people compliment me on my teeth all the time, not really knowing that they're crowns and veneers. As far as cost is concerned, it can vary. They can run anywhere from $900 or $800 to $2,500 for crowns or veneers. As far as age is concerned, we've been asked about that. Generally, the teeth should be fully developed and fully formed, so typically 16 to 18 years old would be the minimum age usually, although there may be exceptions to that. So I think they can enhance your appearance if you need something done to make your teeth or your smile better. Crowns and veneers can work very, very well. They're done differently depending on the circumstance and the necessity of the situation. So remember, keep your mouth healthy, your body will be healthier. Have a great day and a Happy New Year.
Restore your smile and your health with the help of Dr. Nemeth and his associates. Visit drnemeth.com to schedule your appointment today.